going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be working on old Susie. We got a trail ride coming up. My brother-in-law is bringing his big one down from Tennessee. My father-in-law is going to bring his Jeep, and my wife's cousin is going to bring her Samurai. But the kingpin bearings on this thing right here are absolutely shot. So today I have to essentially rebuild this side of the axle. I had to do the passenger side when I first got it. I put a hub on that side too. I was able to salvage this one and rebuild it, but when I bought the kit, I only did one side. You know, I should have done both. But today we're gonna tackle it. We're gonna get this one done. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so to get to the kingpin bearings, you gotta take all of this junk right here off. You gotta take your brake caliper off, your rotor, your hub, all of it. So, got a Sasquatch over there. So, let's get to it. And due to further inspection, it is not the kingpin bearings like I was thinking it was because the other side was bad. It's actual wheel bearings itself. So hopefully I can just pull them out and repack them. If not, I have to go get new ones. So, yeah. All right, so my phone died earlier when I was filming. I got all the stuff apart, and I am going to have to replace one of the bearings. The other one I can clean up pretty good and pack it. So, yeah, let's take a look. I got the hub off, like I said. The outer bearing just completely fell apart. I mean, the cage is completely junk. The race is all pitted up and everything. But, yeah, I got a new bearing, got a new race. And let's get to it. Gotta put the new races in so I can put the new bearing in. So got the new race here. Set it in here like so. And then you take your old race and you just beat it in there. Give it a good old beating. Make sure it's going in straight, which it is. And then you just kind of send it. Now that that's pretty much flush, I need to find something that I can use. Let's try this guy. A hydraulic press would probably be ideal. I don't have one of those. And we are in there. Just like swimwear. Let's give it one more tap for good measure. And we'll send her on home. Oh yeah. And just like that, until you get your new races in there. Oh yeah, that's nice and smooth. All right, you guys, so now's the fun part. Let's pack these bearings. I use marine grease, since Florida's kind of a wet state. And this does go off-road, so just to try to help it out. Good for boat trailers and stuff, so it should be good for this. So we take your bearing here. I need to wipe that one down. Take the new one. Let's do the new one first. And you kind of just work it in there. Feel like I'm at a Diddy house party. now you put the hub on and do everything that I did to take it apart, but in reverse. So I'm gonna head and get this jammed out real quick. It's like 12:30 at night. I gotta work in the morning. So I'll pick you guys up when I'm done, show you finished product and everything. And I'm going to bed. All right guys, we're all wrapped up. Runs good. Well, drives good. No more weird screeching noises. A little tighter in the steering wheel. So like I said, getting ready for this weekend. Got a couple people coming down. My brother-in-law is bringing his down. I'll have to shoot a video of that thing and do a pretty good overview of that. That thing's pretty sweet. So, all right guys, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe.